Hi, welcome to Discover the Fun. I'm Miss Molly, and today we're going to be making these cute little crowns. Our storytime theme of the week was pretend and imagination, and so we're making pretend crowns. If you stick around to the end of the video, I will give you your summer reading event code, and you can put that in your account and earn some points. So for supplies, we have a paper plate, a glue stick, some jewels, and then markers and scissors. Let's get started. Okay. First things first, we take our paper plate and we fold it in half. You want to get it as even as you can, but if it's not perfect, that's totally fine. Okay. And from here, we're going to kind of start cutting to make like the little, the little triangle parts of the crown. So we'll start by cutting in half. And I cut pretty high to like the beginning of the ridges. And then we'll just do quarters from here. So I'm going to cut these two in half and kind of try and make it even as best as I can, but it won't be perfectly even, and that's fine. Okay, so when you're done, it should look like this. And then when you open it up, you should be able to see this crease here, and you can cut along the crease about the same length as you did the other cuts. And the crease is there, so you will kind of be able to see. Okay, so when it's all said and done, that's what it looks like. And from here, we'll start decorating. I'm going to use markers, but you can use whatever you want. You can use crayons, colored pencils, anything goes. And if you didn't want to color and you just wanted to put the jewels on, that's fine too. It's your pretend crown, you're the king or queen. You can do whatever you want. I'm kind of going in with no plan, and sometimes that's kind of fun because you can just kind of see what comes out. I'm feeling shapes, so I think I'll do shapes. Okay, I have done all my coloring. I'm going to glue a few things on just to show you how I do it. This is cool. This can go with my purple polka dots. You have to be pretty generous with the glue because sometimes it doesn't want to stick on very well. You could take Elmer's glue too, that would work. It would just take a little bit longer to dry. Alright, I'm gonna let this dry, but that's what it will look like when you're all finished. Let me give you your summer reading event code. It's Let's Pretend. LETSPRETEND. Let's Pretend. It's all one word, no spaces, there's no apostrophe in let's, just all lowercase letters. Let's pretend. All right, thank you, I'll see you next time.